only this index.html. Okay, you won't get anything like this JPG, this PPTX and all. Okay, we'll get only this index.html.
Sir, actually, yesterday I did not save anything.
Okay.
So I didn't get that.
So how could we?
No problem, Altaf. Then you just create a new folder somewhere in desktop or something.
Okay.
Try to store all the code what we are doing in each and every day and save it there. Okay, and save it there. So are you getting Altaf?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, save that code everywhere. Like what I was saying is that just open any folder, something like this in desktop or something. Just create something. Just click on right click and you can use that. Yeah.
Yes.
Again, explain. I didn't get it again.
One second. So is my screen visible, guys?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I can see my screen is stuck for me, so that's what I'm asking. Wait, one second. Can you guys spare me a minute? Yeah, now it's fine. Yeah, okay. So what I was saying is that you have to create something, some folder where you can store all the code with you. Okay, just keep that in somewhere near desktop or something, and try to open that using the step what I have mentioned here. Okay.
Sir, can you show once how to create a folder?
Okay, so nothing. You just go somewhere, any particular. So let me try to create some folder here. Okay, just right click on the particular folder. There will be option called as new, and there will be something called as folder here. Okay, just click folder, then write something called as files. Then that's all. You have created your folder. Okay, inside that, go into that particular folder, create a new text document here, and write something as index.html and remove that .txt. Okay. And once you click yes, you will get some prop like this. Once you click change it, you will get something like this. The icon may be different, but yeah, of course you will get something like this HTML source file. Okay. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. So yeah, once you have done that, you guys have to see something like this. Okay, you will have to see something like this. You will have just index.html in the left hand side and empty pages in the right hand side. Okay. So for that, what you have to do is that you have to go and click on this index.html. It will open something like this. Okay. Are you guys getting an empty page here?
Yes,
You won't
sir.
get
Yes.
something like
But still, I'm not
Yes.
getting
something
it.
like this.
It's
Just have an
putting
empty
copy.
page. Okay. Yeah, you just have an empty black page. Okay. So the people who are not getting that show, you can just try to figure it out. Let us wait for them. Okay, other guys.
Sir, can I share my screen, sir? I'm not getting it.
One second. I will stop sharing my screen. Yeah, you can share it. Okay. So what is the issue you are facing for those? What you have to do is that you have to open the particular folder, okay, for accessing that file. So what you have to do is that you have to go to that top left. That's an option called as file, right?
I'm getting like this, sir.
I think for those your screen is stuck. Guys, only for me the issue is happening, or for other people also?
No, it got
No, it got stuck.
it's not visible.
This little guy rolling around is actually a Taiki parrot native to the Amazon region. It's a small known for its climbing and jumping skills. Despite its size, the coyote isn't quite right.
I'm also not able to get the folder which we created yesterday.
Particularly,
Actually, you are saying you are not able to find where you have stored your folder, right?
Yeah, if I can share a screen for a while.
No. Can you see where it is in File Explorer? What I was saying is that I'll share my screen. I was trying to say this one, okay? So if you can try to access your folder in this File Explorer, like what I was saying is that if you go and click on this File Explorer, your file will be open, right? If you can access your folder here, like somewhere, I don't know where it is, but yeah, somewhere. If you can access that folder, then I can help you to get that in VS Code also. So can you navigate that particular file in this File Explorer?
No.
Then no problem then. Just create a new folder in desktop, then try to open that in desktop. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Create a new new folder. Inside that, create a new text document and rename it as index.html. Sounds great?
So,
Yes, I'm doing it. I'm facing issue. I'm not able to see your screen.
Yeah, Gurisha, what are you saying?
Actually, I'm not able to see your screen. You are presenting something, right?
Yeah, now I'm presenting my screen. Is that only you or other people who are
It's
also
visible.
It's visible. It's visible.
It's visible.
It's visible for
it's visible.
Okay, fine.
I'm also paying.
Fine. Okay, so other people, I think Gulshan, you have to just rejoin the meet, then we can.
Okay, I'm rejoining, sir.
Prevention, you are saying that, sir, can you guide to create a new folder that you have taught yesterday? Yeah, okay. So, Prevention, are you using Windows or other system? Okay, fine. Then can we move to the next part? Prevention, you are saying you are using Windows. So no, not at all, man. So which Windows you are using? It's Windows 11 or Windows 10?